All right, so this is the Prepac dresser that I got from Amazon.com. There'll be links in the video description below. It's a very nice looking dresser here, as you can see. I think it comes in black as well as the white color, but I got the white one here. Yes, it does come in black. There's other styles of it available as well from the same company here. There's a nightstand version. It comes with a nightstand. This color looks very nice, natural looking, very nice as well. And they have some other styles that I'm going to get for my dining room and stuff like that. Actually, I don't have a dining room, but for my kitchen hallway that could be used for a dining room. I have a hallway kind of kitchen. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to check that out as well. I'm probably going to get that next. I was kind of skeptical about those little back panels and side panels, but I like them because it stops stuff from falling onto the floor, except for that drumstick that came off the front. The drawers are very nice. They have these metal handles. This is a junk drawer at the time. You know, I'm trying to organize things here. Building it was, you know, pretty straightforward. Directions and everything like that come with it. It took about, for me, I think about 2.5 hours because I was watching a TV show while I was doing it. I took breaks in between. It could take you a shorter time if you do it all in one spin, if you will. So let's take a look at the dimensions here. This is 52.5 by 29.5 tall. And then it comes out 16 inches from the wall. And then the drawer size is there, as you can see, 25 by 12 3/4, and so on and so forth with the dimensions here. Again, like I said, I really like this one. I think I'm going to order, they have another, it's like a dining room, well, for the dining room, kitchen, hallway kind of thing. I think I'm going to order that one too. It matches this one very nice. I highly recommend it. It's pretty adorable, pretty nice looking. It looks a lot better in photos, on life, in real life, than it does in the photos that I saw online. So I'm very happy with it. There's just some stuff I threw on there for to see what it looks like and everything. So check it out. There's a link in the video description below, like I said. Let me know what you think. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.